Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Honda Odyssey. It has 60,308 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.0 liter V6 cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Odyssey is four-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They do also go away. The number y'all are looking at right here, that is the kilometers. So 97,057, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 60,308. All right. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors, LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. Really do appreciate it. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thanks again.